Okay, so I'm going to do number 32 from your study guide. Okay, that was on the part 2 of the study guide. This is different than the ones that we try to solve in our homework, but it's so simple. Okay, so we have a function like this. It's a square root function, so I need to know the properties. And before I do that, I have to factor out a 2 because the coefficient of x has to be 1. So that means that, okay, I'm just going to write y equals 2. When I factor out a 2, okay, I'm actually dividing both of these by 2. Okay, so I have x plus 5/2 plus 1. Now, let's go ahead and figure our vertex. Our vertex is negative 5/2, 1. Okay, from 0, 0, the parent function, it moved left, negative, or 5/2, I'm sorry, 5/2 to the left, and it moved up 1. Okay, now let's look at the a value. The a equals 2. Now, because it's not negative, there's no reflection, but the absolute value of a is 2, and that means that absolute value of a is greater than 1. So that is a vertical stretch, or it widens. Okay, now let's look at the b value. b equals 2. There is no reflection, but the absolute value of b is greater than 1, so that is a horizontal compression, or it narrows. Okay, now let's go ahead and find the domain and range. Since there was no reflections, okay, it just remains like this. But the vertex changed, and that was negative 5/2 and 1. So the domain, now it's no longer 0 to positive infinity. It's going to be negative 5/2 to infinity, or x is greater than or equal to negative 5/2. For the range, it is 1 positive infinity, or y is greater than or equal to 1. And that's the final answer. It's so easy. Good job.